Hey everyone! So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to accept the license agreement in Rocket League on your PC. No need to drag it out, let's dive right in. First of all, open up Rocket League on your computer. Once the game loads up, click on Settings. Next, switch to the Extras tab. Here, you will find all the legal agreements. First, click on EULA or End User License Agreement. Then read through the whole thing if you want. And then click on the OK button. Next, click on Terms of Service. Now, just like before, click on OK after reading all the terms and conditions. Then click on Privacy Policy and click on OK. After that, click on SCT Act and click on OK. Then click on Payment Service Act and click on OK. And you are done. Now you have accepted all the license agreements in Rocket League right from your PC. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. And if you want more Rocket League related tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.